Hello everybody, Maria Tecce here. Today is about PowerPoint. So for those of you who give presentations on a regular basis, today is about to PowerPoint or not to PowerPoint. That is the question. A lot of clients ask me about this, and what I always say is when in doubt, leave it out. Simplify, simplify. If you can get away with not using PowerPoint, then by all means, don't use it. However, if you genuinely have visuals that you need and you know that you're going to need to illustrate your points, or maybe it's a graph or it's numbers, it's statistics that you want to reiterate what you're saying, anytime that you have visuals or videos that you absolutely need, that you know are going to help illustrate what you're saying, then by all means use it. However, stay away from the read along. We talked about this in another video about PowerPoint. If you can say it, leave it out off the screen. If you can say it, leave it off the screen or leave the slide out. So rule of thumb, when in doubt, leave it out. If you don't need it, then you don't need to put it up there. If you need it and they need to see it, then put it up there. So if you have any more questions about that, leave me a comment below. And otherwise, have a good day. We'll see you next time. And remember, speak it loud, speak it proud, and speak it public.